Magmukbang me guys with Big and Choco and Presto. And this Julius nga...
Oh my god, it's
cupcake.
It's upside down.
Yes.
No, it's
oh my god! Guba ang packaging. Makaibog ikang gikan sa Pilipinas kay dili magkadimaw ang packaging.
Wow! You just put your naked straw on the freaking... This is naked straw. Okay, you put it there. It's gonna be dirty.
I am not the man you knew. We're going to eat this. Then you're going to open this. You see how this great the pan is?
That's a mamon.
Unsa gina ana na focus na ana dito. Ay, ana dito.
Luyo itang nga. Unsa man ipagdulis mo?
Yo na sa dito.
Asa be?
So that's how it works. Eh.
Mom,
sorry.
What the freak?
My cheese, kita mo ani?
Of course it's gonna have cheese, although it does not have much.
Yeah, pero taste test.
Taste good? Let me taste.
It does.
What?
It does taste good. Pero dollar kay kada 25 pesos datag juice ram ni sa una.
Wow. Ma'am, Julie sa dano, that's it. You want?
Blockbuster. Ang sanong favorite na ako sa Presto. Brother ako basta peanut butter. Favorite nga flavor sa Presto. Chocolate.
Jam.
And namin na-find out karon guys.
Ha?
Basta magsunod-sunod ang Z kay mong basa na kay T. No? Ay, T og S. So instead of Mozart, it's Mozart.
Mozart.
That's why it's called pizza. It's because it's double Z. So dito siya pizza. Power of pizza.
Yeah, I told you. It was pizza. And it's how it is pronounced in it. And it's what the origin of the whole culture.
Pero kung mo na tag pizza kay kuan siya. Kung mo na tag pizza kay it's a Filipino slang. Filipino English.
Which is not standard English, by the way.
So it is unacceptable sa mga native speakers.
Why are you not visible? Show yourself.
Show yourself! Alam mo, ne?
Hala ko, baby, dali ako kasi ako. Ayan. It towers over my truck, Pero that's just camera. It's magic.
Makanta may guys, wala na yung tao dito sa hallway mo. Siya agad Odysseus.
Outfit ka!
The infamous Odysseus.
Odie, get away from the land.
Odie,
get away
from the land.
Innocent sound.
Hala guys, namagdala akong papel. Plastic guys.
Hala, oh my god, you're littering, mom.
Dili ako ato. Ang hangin ato. Involuntarily littering.
Hala. Mom, that was...
Accident.
No, that was an accident. You did that. You did that on purpose.
Wala tag. Ano?
Literally. English major. No, you did that on purpose.
No,
Mom, you were holding your hand like this. Let go. Okay, you did that on purpose.
Why?
You are littering. Mom, you did not honor your future educator title. You
Malaka no eh?
No, kata
Asa nga ang plastic na dako?
Pumunta ako.
Wala.
Pumunta ako.
Nagtanggas, balat na siya eh. Uy! Accident to eh. Ano na siya?
You better not tell me you just sleep, okay? You better not. You better not.
Nasa content involuntarily. Hapit ko namatay guys. Sabi ko tukan. Hello.
Ano yung may water?
Nasag, ay.
Very small. This is just how many ml? 250. Sure.
250 equivalent to 1 liter.
Huh? Huh?
Kaya
1,000.
Ayaw, 1,000 liter.
Mom? Oh my God, Mom. You're gonna...
Balit to. Balit to.
You're gonna
Wala
fill
ito
your
nakatiro. Wala eh, kayo yun mo po eh. Kailangan magbagyo ni siya. Mantag di
Daddy,
bagyo
do you
na.
wanna eat presto?
English mo yung Tagalog eh. Sorry. Bye guys. Bye. Agak saya manyaga ba sa CR na dali?
Mom, I'm trying to be like her, Mom. Speaking in English, nagkakasag. Figure in language. Grabe.
Mata may CR.
Ano niya, Mom?
Wala.
Ano yan? Grabe. Hindi ka niya vocabulary.
Okay, follow.
Hindi ka niya vocabulary, Mom. Grabe
Manyaga ta CR dali.
Let me drink my cup of.
Mamanganta may kay Odi. Time machine. Huy, dapat na may tagsikat gyapon na ang pano. Ay, ba pasing magbuhat sila laing saga ba? Magbuhat sila no?
Napamatap.
Naba may
No,
teacher.
I don't have food. You're gonna die on this.
Oo, like, ka na wala na teacher. Ano sa'yan?